Imagine this: you're sitting at home, staring at your phone, waiting for that specific person to text you. Maybe it's someone you've been thinking about for days, weeks, or even months. You know there's something special between you, but for some reason, the communication has stopped. The silence is deafening, and all you want is that one text to show that they're thinking about you too. Now, what if I told you that manifesting that text, that one message you've been waiting for, is not only possible but entirely within your control? Using the teachings of Neville Goddard, you can attract that message into your life, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the process of manifesting a text from a specific person. You might think, how can I control what someone else does? But that's where Neville Goddard's teachings come in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how your thoughts, feelings, and assumptions can directly influence your reality, and more importantly, how you can use this knowledge to bring that long-awaited message into your life. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a powerful, lesser-known technique that can speed up your manifestation process dramatically. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Now, let me tell you a story about Julia. Julia had been in love with her friend Chris for years. They shared a close bond, but their friendship had never developed into anything more. They would text frequently, but one day, out of nowhere, Chris went silent. No texts, no calls, nothing. Julia was heartbroken, feeling abandoned, and couldn't understand what had gone wrong. For weeks, she checked her phone every few minutes, hoping to see his name pop up. But nothing came through. She began to question herself, wondering if she had done something wrong or if Chris had simply moved on. Then, one evening, Julia stumbled upon a video discussing Neville Goddard's teachings. Intrigued by the concept of manifestation and the idea that our assumptions create our reality, she decided to give it a try. She learned about the law of assumption, the idea that whatever we assume to be true becomes our reality. Julia realized that her current thoughts were filled with doubt and fear. She was assuming that Chris didn't care about her anymore, that he wasn't thinking about her, and that she would never hear from him again. These assumptions were keeping her stuck in a loop of negativity, blocking any possibility of Chris reaching out. Determined to change her mindset, Julia decided to start practicing the feeling of the wish fulfilled. She began by visualizing herself receiving a text from Chris. Every night before bed, she would close her eyes and imagine her phone lighting up with a message from him. She would picture his name on the screen, the excitement building inside her as she opened the message and saw the words she had longed to read. She didn't just imagine the text, she let herself feel the emotions, the joy, the relief, the warmth that came with knowing Chris was thinking about her. But Julia didn't stop at visualization. She also started affirming her desired reality. She would repeat to herself throughout the day, "Chris loves talking to me, I always hear from Chris, I am always on his mind." These affirmations helped shift her mindset from one of doubt and fear to one of confidence and certainty. Julia was no longer hoping for a text, she was assuming that it was already on its way. The days passed, and though there was no immediate message, Julia didn't waver in her belief. She continued to live in the state of the wish fulfilled, feeling the excitement and joy, as if the message had already arrived. Then, on the third day, something incredible happened. Julia's phone buzzed, and there it was, a message from Chris. He apologized for his silence, explaining that he had been dealing with some personal issues but had been thinking about her the entire time. Julia couldn't believe it. Everything she had visualized, everything she had affirmed, had manifested into reality. This story of Julia is just one example of how powerful the law of assumption can be when applied correctly. But you might be wondering, can I really do this too? The answer is absolutely yes. Manifesting a text from a specific person is not only possible but well within your reach. The key lies in shifting your assumptions, visualizing your desired outcome, and affirming it with confidence. Now, let's talk about how you can apply these teachings in your own life. The first thing you need to understand is that your thoughts and feelings create your reality. If you're constantly thinking about how someone hasn't texted you, how you're not important to them, or how they've moved on, you're reinforcing that reality. You're telling the universe that this is your truth, and the universe will reflect that back to you. But if you shift your thoughts and begin to assume that this person is thinking about you, that they want to talk to you and that the message is already on its way, your reality will begin to change. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help you shift your assumptions. Just like Julia, take a few minutes each day to imagine your phone lighting up with a message from your specific person. See their name on the screen. Imagine opening the message and feel the emotions that come with receiving it. The more vivid your visualization, the more real it will feel, and the more you will begin to believe that it's already happening. Affirmations are another essential part of the process. Throughout the day, repeat affirmations that support your desired reality. For example, I am always on mind, they love talking to me, I am important to them. These affirmations help to reprogram your subconscious mind, shifting your beliefs and assumptions to align with the reality you want to create. One crucial aspect of manifesting is letting go of the how and the when. Often we get caught up in the details of how our manifestation will come to us, or we become impatient when we don't see immediate results. But here's the thing, the universe works in mysterious ways, and it's not our job to figure out the how. All we need to do is focus on the end result, the feeling of having already received that text. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire to you in the best possible way. And now, as promised, let me share a powerful technique that can speed up your manifestation process. This technique is known as the whisper technique. Here's how it works. Before going to sleep at night, close your eyes and imagine yourself standing next to your specific person. Visualize yourself leaning in and whispering into their ear exactly what you want them to do. For example, you might whisper, "Text me. I want to hear from you." Then imagine them nodding in agreement, as if they've received your message. This technique taps into the power of thought transmission, another concept taught by Neville Goddard, and can help you manifest communication from your specific person even faster. So next we are doing a meditation. Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you manifest a text from a specific person using the powerful principles of Neville Goddard's teachings. In this meditation, you will learn how to align your thoughts and feelings with the reality you desire, allowing you to draw in that communication you've been waiting for. Whether it's someone from your past or someone you're currently thinking about, this meditation will guide you through the steps to shift your energy and attract that message into your life. Remember, you have the power to shape your reality, and today we'll focus on harnessing that power to bring your desired communication to you. Find a quiet, comfortable space where you won't be disturbed, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension or worries. Let's begin. We'll start by fully relaxing the body. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and as you exhale, feel any stress or anxiety melt away. With each breath, let your body become lighter and more at ease. Feel the tension releasing from your head, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, and all the way down to your toes. Now imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your body, filling you with a sense of peace and tranquility. This light represents love and joy, and it is here to remind you that everything you desire is within your reach. Let this light wash over you, making you feel safe, calm, and relaxed. In this peaceful state, set your intention clearly in your mind. Silently or aloud, say to yourself, "I intend to manifest a text from a specific person's name. I trust that the universe is aligning everything perfectly for me, and this message is already on its way." Let this intention settle deep within your heart, knowing with certainty that it is already happening. The universe has heard your request, and your desire is now in motion. Now, begin to visualize your phone in your hand. See the screen light up with a notification. You immediately recognize the name on the screen. It's from the specific person you've been thinking about. Picture their name in clear, bold letters. Feel the excitement building inside you as you open the message. Imagine seeing their words on your screen, feeling the connection between you both as if they had been thinking of you all along. Let yourself feel the emotions that come with receiving this text. Feel the happiness, the relief, and the warmth that fills your heart knowing they reached out to you. Allow yourself to fully experience these emotions, the joy, the excitement, and the sense of connection. Picture their words clearly, perhaps something like, "Hey, I've been thinking about you," or "I miss you. How have you been?" Feel the gratitude flowing through you, knowing that this communication has come to you with ease. In this moment, know that they care about you and have always thought of you. You are important to them. Now, let's reinforce this with powerful affirmations. As you hold on to the image of the text message in your mind, repeat to yourself, "My special person's name loves communicating with me. I am always on their mind. I receive loving and thoughtful messages from specific person, and I am important to them, and they enjoy staying connected with me." Repeat these affirmations with confidence, knowing that they reflect the truth of your reality. With every affirmation, feel the belief growing stronger within you. Trust that the universe is aligning your reality with your desires. Now, let's use a powerful manifestation technique known as the whisper technique. Picture yourself standing next to your specific person in a calm, peaceful setting. You feel a sense of ease and closeness between you. Visualize yourself leaning in toward them, gently whispering into their ear, "Text me, I want to hear from you." See them smiling, acknowledging your request, and nodding in agreement. Feel their energy as they receive your message and feel the certainty that they will respond. In your mind's eye, imagine them picking up their phone and typing out a message, sending it directly to you. Know that they are eager and happy to reach out to you. Once you've finished whispering, let go of the image. Release any expectations of how or when the text will come. Trust that the universe is handling all the details. You have set your intention and sent out your desire, and now it's time to let go and allow the universe to work its magic. Know that it is already done, and the text is on its way to you. You have aligned your energy with the outcome you want, and now it's simply a matter of letting go and trusting the process. As you sit in this peaceful state, shift your focus to gratitude. Feel gratitude for everything you already have in your life, and feel grateful for the text that is coming. Gratitude opens the door for even more blessings to flow into your life, so take a moment to fully appreciate this moment. Say to yourself, "I am grateful for the love and communication in my life, and I am grateful for the message from specific person that is on its way to me." Let the feeling of gratitude fill your heart and lift your vibration. Take a few deep breaths in and out, bringing your awareness back to the present moment. Slowly become aware of your surroundings, knowing that the text you have visualized is already on its way. Trust in the process, knowing that you have the power to create your reality. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this sense of peace and certainty with you throughout the day. The more you remain in alignment with these positive feelings, the faster your manifestation will come to you. Thank you for joining me in this guided meditation. Remember, you have the power to manifest anything you desire, including communication from your specific person. Stay aligned with the feelings of love, joy, and gratitude, and trust that the universe is always working in your favor. If you found this meditation helpful, feel free to revisit it anytime to reinforce your manifestation practice. You are powerful, and the universe is always listening. Take these affirmations with you to practice daily. I am always on their mind. My specific person loves communicating with me. I receive loving texts and calls from specific person. And the universe is aligning everything perfectly for me. These affirmations will help keep your energy aligned with your desires and strengthen your manifestation process. You have all the tools you need to manifest the text you're waiting for, and with patience and belief, it will arrive in perfect timing. Stay connected to your own power and trust the process. So what have we learned today? Manifesting a text from a specific person is entirely possible when you apply Neville Goddard's teachings. By shifting your assumptions, practicing visualization and affirmations, and letting go of the how and when, you can bring your desire into reality. And with the added whisper technique, you can speed up the process and receive that message even sooner. As we wrap up, remember that manifesting isn't about forcing or controlling someone else. It's about aligning your thoughts and feelings with the reality you want to create. You have the power to shape your reality, and the universe is always working with you to bring your desires to life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Neville Goddard's teachings and manifestation techniques. And as always, I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are you manifesting right now? Let's support each other on this incredible journey of creation. Until next time, remember, you have the power to manifest your dreams, and the universe is waiting to deliver them to you.